is Wednesday, and we are about to go on a field trip with our baby girls. We are going to the farm. We're going to take y'all with us, and I hope y'all enjoy.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Tell them where y'all are going today.
We're going to the farm.
To the farm. Let's go.
Up one by one and laid them out in the warm, dry sun. And when the last one was moved away, the farmer could see what had saved the day. An odd-shaped pumpkin, short and dense, was wedged against the broken fence.
A huge shout out to one of our #1 fans, Miss Melissa Miller. Yes. Yes.
Family, they're awesome. Y'all subscribe, we need the likes up, all the above.
All of that. All of that. All of that. So I'm off today. It's actually Veterans Day. So yesterday the girls had such a good time at the farm. We all had a good time. Me and Micah, just watching them play. They literally go to the best daycare ever. I love the owners there. They're just so all about kids, and I got so excited just listening to them say their prayer and they're saying their rules, and I don't know. She just has them all together, and Mylah and Mylah is learning so much. So I'm very happy that they go there. We had a really, really good time with church last night. We talked about spiritual gifts, and we had like a Bible bowl at the beginning of service, and pastor was telling everybody to find random scriptures or whatever. Well, lo and behold, I was getting there first and reading them first, and people started hating. You know, they were like, oh, she's cheating. She got tabs in her Bible, whatever. And I was like, yeah, I got tabs in my Bible, but I still read my Bible. So that's how I got to it fast, but the tabs did help. So it was kind of funny. because I actually kind of felt like, I'm like, yeah, I'm getting better at this, you know, but I did, you know, get there quicker. I worked smarter, not harder, and they didn't like that. So next Wednesday, I have to bring my Bible without tabs and see if I can, you know, win. And then when I win again, we'll see. They'll find something else to say I did wrong. So that was fun last night. And today is, like I said, Veterans Day. I'm about to do a cleanup. We're going to Houston this weekend because Myla's in a wedding. So I'm going to go ahead and get the house together, start packing and all that stuff. Don't know what I'm going to cook tonight. It's me and Andre. He's over there eating a huge bowl of cereal. Huge bowl. Like, look at this. Look at how big this bowl is. Like, I don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but Fruit Loops. That's what he's doing this morning. So it's just me and him here today. I'm about to go ahead and start cleaning up this nasty, dirty house. As you guys can see, dishes and just, I need to vacuum. It's just bad. So I'm going to work on doing all of that today, cleaning bathrooms, all that stuff, and in my bedroom. And that'll be my Thursday. Myla's in a wedding tomorrow. She rode with her, both the girls rode with their dad to Houston. So I'm gonna go meet them in the morning to get her hair flat ironed. So she's gonna get her hair straight, and I can't wait to see her hair straight. But I got Andre over here as my road dog as he's sleeping. So this is our trip to Houston for the weekend. Good morning, guys. It's the day of the wedding. It's Saturday. I've just been up editing. Excuse me, frog in my throat. I've just been up editing, working on this video that hopefully will be live before this video goes live or after it. I don't know, but I'm working on this Get Ready With Me video. I'm going to meet Mylah at the salon at 10:30 to get her hair done. So I'm so excited. She's going to finally get her hair flat ironed for the very first time. I'm excited about that. So I will show you guys today what happens today. Let me see the back. Turn around.
Oh, wait,
Look at how.
oh my goodness, that's pretty.
That girl got the house.